The Pacific Ocean is so wide. There is nothing to talk about boundary. And yet they are ready to kill each other at a moment's notice. West Philippine Sea. Magkita tayo doon sa West Philippine Sea. Doon ko kayo ihulog sa West Philippine Sea. Ipakain ko kayo sa mga pating doon.
Alam mo, Mayor, kaya namimiss ka ng mga kababayan natin because you never changed. You are you. And what you see is what you get. Talagang with sincerity at sa iyong pamumuno bilang presidente namin noon and mayor sa Davao, it's you always. That's you. Wala nang iba pa. And you are always for us.